What's the meaning of compassion? Compassion. Compassion.
Compassion. Compassion. Compassion is a feeling of deep sympathy and sorrow for someone who is suffering, accompanied by a strong desire to alleviate their pain or distress. It involves recognizing the suffering of others and wanting to help them in a meaningful way. Compassion is an important aspect of human relationships, as it helps build empathy and understanding between people. It can also lead to acts of kindness and generosity, which can bring about positive changes in individuals and societies. Ultimately, compassion is about caring for others and striving to make a difference in their lives.